Hi folks, I'm Bill Devine with Bullseye Power. We're here today with my partner,
David Hall.
and Ken from Borowski Race Engines. And we're here to show you the NLX turbocharger that they use on their engines. So probably one of the main components of this turbo that makes it stand out above everybody else is the fact that it's a USA manufactured product. It has an all aluminum billet center section, making the turbo very light. It's got a stainless steel turbine housing. The center section does contain a ball bearing fixture, which is a true ball bearing, front and rear bearing. It's not like some of the ones on the market that people have seen with a rear journal bearing or a thrust bearing. It's an actual bearing cartridge that we assemble and put inside that center section. Moving along to the compressor, this compressor boasts a larger AR than most of the compressors on the market. It has a threaded inlet, or excuse me, a threaded discharge. So the customer has the choice of going V-bend or hose end without having to deal with maybe sending a turbocharger back because the fabricator may change his mind on how they want to mock that up in the vehicle. One of the other key components about this turbo is the compressor inlet. It is a threaded inlet the same way as the outlet. It's locked down right now because Ken's getting ready to take these home with him. But this inlet allows us to adjust a map with groove so that we can dial this compressor in to suit the engine's VE. The only other component I would point out to you folks is the billet compressor wheel. The billet compressor wheel basically has more surface area than any other wheel on the market right now. Therefore, it gives it the ability to move a lot more air in the same millimeter. These turbos typically all out are capable of probably upwards of 3,200 horsepower. It's not uncommon for people to use these on combinations making 2,000. Street cars, drag week, all out race cars. They're pretty much used in every aspect of racing, boats, trucks, you name it. Thank you again, and if you guys need anything, don't be afraid to get a hold of our friends at Borowski Race Engines. They can answer any of your questions, and they have all the product ready for immediate delivery.